What if I told you that right now, machines are learning to see, think, and even create just like humans? What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't just science fiction anymore? It's reshaping our world every single day. Welcome to Machine Minds, where we decode the mysteries of artificial intelligence and machine learning together. Hi everyone, I'm your host, and I'm absolutely fascinated by the incredible world of AI and machine learning. Whether you're a complete beginner who's curious about what all the AI buzz is about, or someone looking to dive deeper into the technical details, this channel is for you. Here at Machine Minds, we believe that understanding AI shouldn't require a PhD in computer science. We're going to break down complex concepts into digestible, engaging content that anyone can follow. So what can you expect from Machine Minds? Let me give you a roadmap of our journey together. Beginner-friendly tutorials. We'll start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? How is it different from machine learning? We'll use real-world examples and analogies that make sense. Deep dives. For those ready to go further, we'll explore fascinating topics like neural networks, computer vision, natural language processing, and the algorithms that power everything from your Netflix recommendations to self-driving cars. Latest innovations. AI is evolving at lightning speed. We'll keep you updated on the newest breakthroughs from GPT models to robotics and explain what they mean for our future. Practical applications. We'll show you how AI is already changing industries: healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. You'll discover how these technologies might impact your own life and career. Ethical discussions. With great power comes great responsibility. We'll tackle the important questions about AI ethics, bias, and what it means for society. Here's why I'm passionate about this. AI isn't just changing technology, it's changing everything. The jobs of tomorrow, the way we solve global challenges, how we create and communicate, it's all being transformed by artificial intelligence. But here's the thing. This future is being built right now, and you deserve to understand it. You deserve to be part of the conversation, not left behind by it. If you're ready to embark on this journey with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below and tell me, what aspect of AI are you most curious about? What would you like to learn first? Our next video will be AI 101. What is artificial intelligence really? Where we'll build the foundation for everything else we'll explore together. Remember, the future belongs to those who understand it. Here at Machine Minds, we're not just observers of the AI revolution, we're informed participants. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video where we start unlocking the secrets of artificial intelligence together.